This is the roof framing. Just needs 2 pieces of plywood. This is the base. Roof is going to sit at an angle, as you can tell. It's at 14-degree pitch. I also have installed a drawer for easy cleaning of the coop's floor. So all I'll have to do is pull out my drawer to clean the floor out. There will be a door for me to access the inside of the coop right here. It will flip down on a hinge and latch back up. On the back of the coop here, I'm going to have my nesting boxes, and I would like to install a basement window above the nesting boxes for extra ventilation or sunlight to naturally light the inside of the coop. And off the front of my coop here, I will have a ladder for the chickens to access in and out. And then I will build a 4x6 cage for the chickens to roam around in. And then all this will be outside behind the garage, pretty much right on the other side of that wall. And then I'll have outside chickens. And it should be winter-proof. So that's that. And there's Freya.